Hey guys, Hockey here. Today doing a review on my brand new SunnyTech SC001 Stirling engine. So first, I'm going to show you everything in a row. So this is the first thing. This is a wick where you light it on fire. You light that top, and there's 100% alcohol in here. You're meant to use 91 or 90, but we don't have that in Australia. We had it ordered on Amazon. So we just use 100% and add a few drops of water, and that should make it 91% apparently. It says on Amazon for customer reviews and stuff. And you had to put the wick in yourself. It took a little bit for us to do it, but we eventually did it. That's the first thing. The second thing is this lighter, which didn't come with it, but we need this to start it. And the third thing is the actual model, which is huge, massive. It's a beast, guys. This is the whole thing. So this lighter thing goes under here, and then you light it and it heats this bit out. And by the way, this colouring here is actually completely removable. You can just get a wet cloth, damp cloth, and then just wipe it and it should disappear. So let's light it up and I'll show you. So to start it, you pull this and it should start after a few seconds. And this LED is powered by the engine and it lights up. It's a multicolour one and it's powered by the engine. And by the way, this is not a motor, this is a generator. So this is not a motor. So I'm going to light it up and put it under. And as you can see, it's going to heat the glass up. Well, it won't melt it because you need to be 1,000 degrees to melt it, and we only have 500 degrees, so that's only half the amount, hopefully. I don't know. Well, I know it isn't, because it's not melting. I've used it a few times. So now it's going to wait a little while. Not too long, as you can see at the moment, it won't start. It'll just crank. Well, not really crank, it'll just turn over. So wait for it to heat up a bit. It should be in a minute. By the way, this is actually completely metal. This is not hollow. This is actually solid, which is pretty cool. So it should be ready now. Let's go. Should get faster once it heats up a bit more. The LED powering up. Band leads from the engine to the generator. Once you blow it out, it takes a little while to stop. This is the alcohol we use. Diggers isopropyl alcohol. Right here it says 100% isopropyl. So now it's going to stop. It's on idle at the moment, but soon you'll stall out. It's stalled out. Yep. So now we can remove the wick. Once you've done that, wait a few seconds until you get a little damp cloth. Then you wipe the glass. So make sure it doesn't sizzle. Let's do this a few times until it stops sizzling. And should be able to show you guys a bit of it removing, a bit of the blackness removing. You can already see it's starting to go. Won't move all of it because that'll take too long. As you can see, there's already a big chunk removed from it. So thank you for watching. That's all I'm going to remove today. So thank you guys for watching the video.